Good day, this is Dispatches. I'm Red Mendoza. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Robinson's Galleria Movie World for the global premiere ng Gachiakuta, which is the highly anticipated anime from Bones, and this is global screening from Media Link Incorporate from Media Link and Anyone Philippines. So, what can I say? I don't know. It's a roller coaster of emotions for sure. I mean, nakakagulat, nakakaikot yung hearing the anime for the first time in Filipino language. Paikot-ikot. I mean, paikot-ikot yung ating emotions kanina. So, watch the first 2 episodes. Watch the pilot on Anyone Philippines. It will be available on July 6. It will be the first ever Filipino anime dubbed same day simulcast from Japan. So, ang ganda. I mean, I was not a fan, or not necessarily a fan. I don't know anything about Gachiakuta. I mean, tayo hindi natin alam yung material, source material. We never read the manga. So, and of course, we researched it and I said, okay, medyo interesting. Finally, when I watch the anime here sa premiere night dito sa SM Mega Mall, sa Robinson's Galleria, and then suddenly, roller coaster of emotions. Nag-iba yung emotions ko. All I can say is please watch the first 2 episodes and then the following episodes later on. Especially na this is the first time that this is going to be dubbed, na this is now dubbed in Filipino language. Day and date. Matagal na natin ito pinangarap na magkaroon ng day and date, Filipino dub. Filipino dub na same day and date. So finally we got it. After long years of pestering, long years of calling, of writing editorials about this, finally, may same day na tayo. So, eto, we'll be showing you the interview from the lead character kanina, and then si Direk Pocholo Gonzalez, the dubbing director of Gachiakuta. And here's what would they say about the anime. Anong feeling na meron tayong anime na at least same days? I mean, I've been talking for this for so long already.
First time, no?
Oo, first time ever.
Okay. Same day ng launching ng buong mundo.
Correct. Global premiere yun.
Masasabi mo?
Well, napaka-importante itong moment na to for Filipino voice artists sa Pilipinas at lahat ng mga anime lovers, no? Yung ginagawa natin, no, yung Filipino dub na makilala yung wika natin at syempre makilala sa buong mundo at dito sa art ng animation, ng dubbing, voice artistry, napaka-importante siya. Nakikilala natin yung sa Japan, yung Japan naman nakikita yung ginagawa natin. Kaya I'm super happy, of course, with the voice master at buong Certified Voice Artist Philippines at Creative Voices, no, kasama tayo. Simula pa, no, even up mga iba pang animes, no. So, I'm super happy to be part of it.
As the lead character, how hard it is, or paano kasi napapanood ko yung yung character it's so emotional, it's so I mean, tinatablan ka rin. I mean, pinanonood ko tinatablan ka Paano mo siya nasa puso? I mean, paano mo siya nagiging siya?
Well, sa pagkakaalam ko sa Creative Voices, yung voice acting kasi it's the art of becoming, or yung dubbing, it's the art of becoming. Pinapanood ko kanina yung character ko, napasabi nga ako, parang hindi ko to ginawa. Parang in-enjoy ko na lang siya. Yun talaga yung character na yun. So, ganun lang talaga siya.
Sir Choi, siguro, just a last word siguro. What would we expect? I know you did the Kaiju number 8 and then ito ngayon Gachiakuta. So, are you hopeful ba na mas marami pang mga titles na madadub ang Creative Voices? And I hope sana marami.
Actually, kung hindi dahil sa Creative Voices, walang dubbing industry. Yun yung masasabi ko. Dahil halos lahat ng mga dubber sa Pilipinas sa akin ang galing, sa Creative Voices. Tayo nag-train dyan at nagagamit ngayon ng industriya ng dubbing. At kung sa future naman, ang sitwasyon ngayon, ang artificial intelligence ay pinatay niya na ang voiceover, pero ang dubbing hindi. At hindi kailanman tatalunin ng artificial intelligence ang dubbing. Kasi emosyon hindi kayang i-AI yan. No, yun yung maganda. At sa future, dahil sa partnership ng Creative Voices at Anyone Philippines, marami pa tayong i-expect. At marami ring baguhan na magkakaroon ng chance, katulad ng ginawa ko noon sa Hero TV, katulad ng yung Konosuba. 99% ng dubber niyan, bago. At kung panonoorin mo, sobrang ganda at perfect din ng anime na yan. Kasi kung papansin mo, paulit-ulit na lang yung boses na napapakinggan natin eh. Dapat baguhin na yung mga dubber at voice talent at bigyan ng chance yung mga baguhang dubber at voice talent para magkaroon ng opportunity naman sila makapag-dub.
Okay, so that's the interview kay Direk Choi and then the lead character. And then of course, hopefully this is the start for anyone na magkaroon tayo ng same-day telecast, same-day anime titles. And ito, nagsusuma muna ako. I'm calling the attention of the streamers. The streamers. I want TFC, Signal Play. Kasi Blast meron na eh. I want TFC, Signal Play. Listen to the fans, listen to anime fans. Kayo lahat, I mean, please put anime on your services. Yun lang because anime is such a big anime is big. Especially pag may Filipino dub anime, subscribers will follow. Yun lang. So please follow, please listen to the fans, listen to anyone, and listen to anime fans na nagsusumamo na magkaroon ng anime titles sa mga OTTs, local OTT service natin. Huwag tayo masyado mag-Netflix, masyado tayo mag-Prime Video. Let's support I Want TFC, let's support Signal Play. So yeah, hopefully, calling the attention of Jamie Lopez, JD Menes-Basas, please listen to the fans. Listen to the fans. So, mula dito sa Robinson's Galleria Cinema, this is Red Mendoza, of course. This is just a very short dispatches wrap of Gachi Akuta. And please watch it on Anyone Philippines. Anyone Philippines starting July 6th, day and date on streaming. So yes, follow dispatches on our social media handles. Yung social media handles natin dyan. And then we'll be having more reports from anime events as they come. So, Gachi Akuta, panoorin niyo yan sa Anyone Philippines. And that's the way it is. This is Dispatches, and that's the way it is.